election, our party leader has indicated he's retiring, and I just feel that I owe it as a duty really to my country and to my party to offer myself, to give the delegates the option to choose somebody with what I bring to the table. I think I have had significant experience through my professional and business career and as a parliamentarian, as a minister, and I feel that I have something to offer in terms of the rebuilding of the party, the unifying of the party, bringing people together. I'm somebody who believes in consensus. I believe in treating each other with respect, and I think that those are important attributes that will help to heal the party going forward, because the rebuilding process, which is obviously critical for us to achieve the fortunes that we aspire to, and the resumption of our mission as the movement that led Jamaica to independence from colonialism, and which brought so many important developments and reforms to the people of Jamaica. That has to continue, and to achieve that, we have to be a united party once again. So that's really the first order of business, is to bring everybody together, consider where we're coming from and where we're going, articulate a vision that is modern and in keeping with the aspirations of 21st century Jamaicans, but which is true to the roots of our party, our philosophical foundations, and our purpose. And I believe I can do that for the People's National Party and for Jamaica. And so I've decided to offer myself for this post.